Hi everybody, this is Tim from Makers Machining again. We've been a little quiet for a while here. Been busy trying to get lined up for the Fabtech show in Atlanta, and we've also been doing some behind the scenes activities here for Makers Machining. We've got ourselves a website and an email address and a new camera, so the quality of our presentation should be a little bit better here. I wanted to let you know that we're going to be at the Fabtech show in Atlanta in 2 weeks, November 6th through the 9th, I believe it is. It's a Tuesday through a Thursday. There's all kinds of manufacturing processes there. Again, it's kind of similar to the IMTS show that was in Chicago, but this show is more geared towards welding and fabricating and that type of thing. So if you get down there, you're going to see a vast array of different industries represented there. Welding, machining, tube making, finishing, all kinds of different things. So you'll be looking at a lot of different types of industry. If you get a chance and can stop by the booth and visit, that would be great. I'm going to be at the Passline Performance booth. It's booth number C10519. That's the C Pavilion 10519. You'll find me there. I got a little sign out there that you'll see. The booth has got the main heading on it there, but you'll see a sign there for Makers Machining. I'll give you one of my cards here. It's got our email address and a website on there. You might want to zoom in on this thing here and take a look. The website, you'll be able to look at our previous videos, as well as downloading some of our documents, prints, that type of thing that we've been talking about. Once that show is over, we'll get going gung-ho on some of these videos for you. I've talked to a bunch of different people in the industry, and they've been quite interested in seeing some of the basic techniques used in machining, because you can run a CNC machine, but what's going on inside that cabinet? One of the first classes I ever taught, one of the guys said, I work a big machining center, and I'd like to know what's going on inside that cabinet once I close the door and hit the go key, or go button. So anyhow, that's what's happening with Makers Machining right now. Hope to see you in Atlanta, or you can visit our website. You can look at all the different videos that have been out there, but we're going to kick this thing off right after the show, and you'll be seeing regular videos there. So anyhow, we look forward to seeing you down in Atlanta, or whatever the case may be. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.